Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Commodity TV, and it's time for a company update about MAG Silver. MAG Silver is on the fast pace to start this year already with their joint venture partner Fresnillo, the silver production from their Juanicipio mine in Mexico. The company has only 86.5 million shares outstanding and fully diluted 88.7 million shares. It is the only production story with no debt and making money from day one of production, ladies and gentlemen. Latest analyst rating from H.C. Wainwright is a buy rating with a $18.50 price target, which is around 24 Canadian dollars. Cash is $95 million on hand. The shareholder list is the who is who in the mining and commodity world, starting with Fresnillo owning 11%, BlackRock and Sprott with each 9.9%, and VanEck with 4%, and moving on. The mine has an after-tax IRR of 44% and a 19-year mine life at a 4,000 ton per day processing. Main product is silver, with co-products of lead, zinc and gold, and some copper. The exploration potential is fantastic, as so far only 5% of the property is explored, and MAG has already indicated resources of 176 million ounces silver, 867,000 ounces of gold, almost 600 million pounds of lead, and well over 1 billion pounds of zinc, plus 38 million pounds of copper. Over 25 kilometers of underground development is done and growing, and they expect the first stope fully prepared in the third quarter this year. MAG Silver and Fresnillo provided an update on the status of Juanicipio project. That construction is well underway, detailed engineering is nearing completion, and all major process equipment has been purchased and received on site. The underground mine will commence production ahead of schedule in mid-2020, realizing commercial and operational de-risking opportunities for the joint venture. Based on detailed engineering, actual equipment purchases and construction contracts, pre-operative capex from 1st January 2018 has increased by 11.4% from $395 million to $440 million, also reflecting expenditure incurred on underground development, supporting infrastructure, and bringing forward some sustaining capital to facilitate the early underground start. The mineralized material from development and initial production stopes to be processed at the Fresnillo beneficiation plant from June 2020 pending completion of the Juanicipio plant. It is expected that Juanicipio should reach 85% of the nameplate capacity in the fourth quarter 2021, up from a previous guidance of 65% and 90 to 95% in 2022, which is in line with the previous guidance. The commissioning of the flotation plant will be underway by mid-2021. The access to the upper portion of the resource has been achieved. The initial development indicates that the grade and width of the vein is in line with previous estimates, and exploration is ongoing on the property with the intention to increase the deeper resources and targeting new veins. The earlier start of production brings a lot of benefits with it, like improved cash flow from deferring capex spend and accelerating income from the new production ahead of plan. It is also de-risking the metallurgical process, allowing a quicker and more certain ramp-up to 4,000 tons per day. It gives increased certainty around the geological block model prior to startup of flotation plant. The schedule for the construction of the flotation plant has been adjusted to enable the most efficient use of contractor labor, and commissioning is now anticipated by mid-2021. MAG is ahead of plan and did a great job together with their partner Fresnillo. We see the company still undervalued, as it will become next year a senior silver producer with significant base metal and gold byproducts. As said, most important is that MAG has no debt and will make money from day one of production, which is not really valued in the market. Check it out, and thanks for watching us. Bye bye from Switzerland.